got an old song too, and I've tried to live my life expecting the Lord Jesus to come back. I believe that's the way we're supposed to live our lives. I've known people that had a great faith and everything, and they would say, well, I just don't think he's going to show in my lifetime. And since being a young man, I have felt like he's coming. I feel like he's coming. I feel like now is the time not to sit down, but the time to stand up. The time to expect, the time to watch, and do the very best that we can. So I'm going to sing this morning the sounds of his coming. You pray for me, please. I can hear the sounds of his coming everywhere, in the headlights resounding by the score. It may be another earthquake or just another war, but to every child of God, it's something more. And when I hear the sound of marching, hear the sound of battle cry, then I know my Lord is coming. Even now it may be night, and I can hear the sounds of his coming everywhere. They're getting louder and louder each day, and they'll crescendo until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me away. I can hear the sound of fig leaves rustling in the summer breeze, as I see the Lord restore Jerusalem. And I can hear a sound from heaven as a rushing mighty wind, as God pours his Spirit out upon all men. And when I hear revival sounds, not just here but everywhere, then I know it's almost over. I can feel it in the air, and I can hear the sounds of his coming everywhere. They're getting louder and louder each day, and they'll crescendo until that great and final sound of the trumpet shall call me away, and they'll crescendo